Hey, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today our topic is how to post in Facebook page, schedule post, schedule reel, and schedule story. Okay. Today's our topic is how to post schedule. Okay. When you post in a mobile version Facebook page or a PC version, then you never see any option for the schedule. Okay. Let I show you. When I post, then there is no option for the schedule. See that there is also no option in the reel for the schedule posting. Let I show you. When I add some video here and click on the next button, then next button, then there is no option for the schedule post, a schedule reel. Okay, there's only one option here, that is publish. Okay, so this is the problem was everyone facing. So if you want to post, schedule reel, and schedule story, then there is the name Facebook who introduced called Meta Business Suite, which show in the screen, Meta Business Suite. So I show you how to create schedule things in the Facebook page. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. For doing that process, you need one active Facebook page, that I show you my page. If you want to create a page like that, then see my videos in the YouTube channels. Okay, where I show how to create a professional Facebook page, and I also show you how to create a Facebook page logo, Facebook page cover photo. Okay. Today our topic is, let's start that topic. For that, you just click on the Meta Business Suite that is shown in the screen. Okay. When click that, Meta Business Suite is open. You see here create post, create reel, and when you click on the mode, you see create story. Let I show you by one how to create a schedule uh, things. Okay, click on the create post. When you click here, just select your photo or video, whatever you want to post. Uh, I have here one photo where who is my logo. Okay, when I click this, then there's I see that there is option for publish now, schedule, and save as tab. To our topic is how to post a schedule post. Just click on the schedule, and here's the option for the date and time, date and time. Okay, just click on the date, time, and just schedule it. When you schedule, then they post as per the time. Okay, this is the way you can post, you can schedule the post. Now I will show you how to schedule reel. Just click on the reel, create reel. When you click on that, there is option to add video. When you click on add video, then just click on when video is processing processed, then click on the next, then next, then there is option for the schedule. Okay, you can also schedule from here. Now I will show you how to schedule the story. First, schedule the story, just click on the more and create story. When you click on the create story, just pick up your photo or video, whatever you want to post. Just click on that, and there is option, you see active times, share story. When you click on the arrow, then here's the option for the schedule story. Just select your time, and then save, and then schedule story. Okay, this is a simple way, but mostly people don't know how to post things in the Facebook page as a schedule. I hope you understand whatever uh, guide you in the video. If you found this video valuable, then subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.